is one, like you and I. We speak no more, we touch no more. My key no longer opens your door. I walk my discontent, I run with my pity, chained by thoughts of how we used to be. A brighter day must shine soon, and in my garden of thought, a new tomorrow must bloom.
Reminiscent of the years of happiness, blessed and caressed by the one I suggest. Better than the rest, I confess it was a guest appearance in my mind's kingdom, interference. I became a victim, living the life of loving hardcore. Every time she gave, I wanted more. Figured out the score, my heart was sore. I had to pick my life up off the floor. Words to borrow, pain and sorrow. Words to keep, now it's tomorrow.
Such rules no longer